My name is Donna Langille, and I'm the Open Education Librarian on the UBC Okanagan campus. The library supports community engagement by connecting community organizations with scholarly information. We also have the Innovation Library located in downtown Kelowna that community researchers and faculty and staff can use as a research space. In my role as a librarian, I co-develop events, resources, and programs with community organizations. My most recent success of community engagement was working with my colleague Christian Isbister, who's the Indigenous Initiatives Librarian, and Eric Beardmore, Programming and Education Assistant at Kelowna Museums, to co-deliver a workshop on zine making for the 2S LGBTQIA+ community in Kelowna. Last year during Pride Month, we also hosted our first annual Queer Zine Fair, which invited people to come and share, find, and trade their own zines. The first zine fair was incredibly successful. We had over 100 people come to visit and share and distribute their zines. We heard direct feedback from the people who attended that they really appreciated the space to be able to come together and share their creativity. The advice that I have for others who want to do community engagement, especially librarians, is to reach out and start a conversation with potential partners. Most of the successful partnerships that I've had started over a cup of coffee and getting to know one another and learn about each other's goals and what interests us. The events and the programs and the resources will all come later, but relationship building is really key. In addition to the Innovation Library, UBC Library also is involved in the Community Scholars Portal. The Community Scholars Portal offers BC nonprofits and charitable organizations access to scholarly information in their field. Additionally, we also support organizations with access to librarians for research help. The benefit to having access to research through the Community Scholars Portal is giving them the most up-to-date, reliable, peer-reviewed information that can inform things like their policies, their white papers, or any type of work that they're doing for their organization. If folks want to work with a librarian on community engagement efforts, they can connect with us on our library website, or they can email me directly.